Hi, my name is Jared Simpson here with MarineMax in Boston aboard the 2020 Azimut 50 Fly. Look around at this boat. For a 50-foot boat, it's yacht quality for sure. The hardware, everything on the boat is ship quality really. Everything's overbuilt. Natural teak decking, large U-shaped sofa back here. Teak table, moving forward. There's several different interior options for this boat, different color cabinets, couches, flooring that you can do. This is a large U-shaped fabric sofa, the high-low table. Behind the port side couch here, there's actually a TV that lifts up an electric actuator. Plenty of natural lighting with these large windows. Miele appliances, convection oven, refrigerator, freezer, drawers. These windows on both sides, port and starboard, actually open too for natural airflow, or if you want to communicate while you're bringing the boat into the dock from the lower helm. This boat's powered with a pair of 725 horsepower Volvo diesels, which will push the boat to about 32 knots. The boat has a joystick that operates the transmissions in the bow thruster for easy maneuvering in tight quarters. This boat has Raymarine 16-inch Axiom screens flush mounted into the dash here. Moving down below, utility area with plenty of storage, an additional refrigerator for those long trips. It's a 3 stateroom, 2 head layout. Back here is our master, which is midships, and it's full beam. Large hull side windows, separate entertainment system, plenty of storage all around. Private head compartment for this stateroom with a separate small shower as well. Guest stateroom here. Upper and lower bunks, large storage closet, separate entertainment system. And up forward here, this is the VIP stateroom. Hull side windows, again an entertainment system, separate access to the head compartment. Not a bad place to stay. This boat was designed to be an owner-operator. 2 people can easily run this boat, and you can still do everything you do with a much larger boat. As far as long trips, you can run the boat from here in the Northeast down south. It's just a great all-around boat. If you'd like to get more information, please give me a call at 781-727-0629. I look forward to hearing from you.